Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to look at a beer from Mountain Town Brewing Company called Crazy Train. This is a 6.3% ABV and I'm guessing 83 IBUs. Again, we need to do a better job of putting the IBUs and the ABV on the bottle. Also, maybe a manufacture date or when this was bottled, because the IBUs and manufacturer's date is not on this bottle. Lots of pine. Not getting a lot of anything else. Lacing is okay. Head is not that much. I did pour straight down the middle on this one. I would almost say this is a dark brown, very dark brown. It is not a black. Lots of pine in there. Maybe a little bit of roastiness to make it a black IPA, but not very much. Overall on this beer, I would have to give it a 3.5 out of 5. Have you guys had it? If so, let me know in the comments. If not, maybe you want to try it. Subscribe. Until next time, I'm Brad.